Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate a quick and effective way to post your videos to YouTube directly from Google Drive. This walkthrough covers every detail, from adjusting your Drive settings to the final upload. Whether you want to save time or need a smoother transfer method, this guide is for you. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Ensure you are signed into the specific account containing your video. Once there, find the gear-shaped settings icon in the upper right corner. Click it and choose Settings from the menu. Inside the Settings window, head to the Manage Apps section on the left sidebar. This is where we will add a tool to bridge the two platforms. Click on Connect More Apps to open the search interface. Type Video Uploader into the search box. When the results appear, pick Video Uploader for Dropbox Drive and click the Install button. Proceed through the authorization prompts by clicking Continue. After the installation finishes, link your preferred Google account to the uploader and hit Continue once more. Next, check the Select All box to give the app permission to access your files. Then click Continue to finish the setup. Now, return to the main Google Drive interface. Locate the grid icon, click it, and select the Video Uploader for Dropbox Drive app to open it. You will be asked to log in and authorize the connection. Simply choose Google Drive and grant the necessary permissions to reach the main uploader dashboard. From this screen, pick the video you want to share by clicking Google Drive and navigating to your file. Highlight the video and press Select. For the final step, just click Upload to YouTube. The app will now transfer your content directly to your channel. This technique is highly efficient because it eliminates the need to download and re-upload massive files. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your workflow easier. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials.